Making your first bit of money online can be pretty tricky sometimes, but today I'm going to show you a quick and simple trick on how you could exchange simple tasks for cash. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan and I'm here to help you find the tools to build an income online. So what we're going to talk about today is we're going to go to one site and earn tokens doing simple tasks, and then another site where you could sell other simple tasks which could be done automatically with the tokens that you got on the first site. Hey, if you get value out of these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. So you're trying to make those first couple dollars online. It could be pretty hard sometimes. You don't know where to start, you don't know what to do. And you know, even a couple dollars just to get the ball rolling sometimes is all that you really need. So today I'm going to talk about two different sites. The first one is called LINKCOLLIDER. So LINKCOLLIDER is a site that you could submit websites in order to get different tasks. For instance, it could be like clicks, subscribes, depending on what kind of link it is. So you could do basic tasks in order to gain tokens on LINKCOLLIDER. For instance, Facebook likes, YouTube subscribes, Facebook shares, tweets, Twitter followers, Pinterest pins, Pinterest followers, Instagram followers, TikTok followers, Tumblr posts, StumbleUpon, WordPress, Blogger posts, or the easiest ones, which are AutoSurf and clicks. So with something like AutoSurf, it would bring up a page like this, where it just shows up, and every 30 seconds, somebody's gonna give you 10 tokens in order to just let your computer show that you are on the site for 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, it will automatically go directly to the next page. And it will credit you 10 tokens or whatever it's usually between 10 and 20 on this site. So it will just automatically load one after another. You could also go to clicks, which this one, it's a little bit different, but it brings up the page and you have to click the page or just go onto the page. So you'd click surf and it would bring up the page. It just doesn't bring it up automatically like AutoSurf. These are the two lowest rewards out of any of the other ones. You can get higher rewards for doing things like subscribing to somebody's YouTube channel, or doing tweets, or following somebody on Facebook, or anything like that. So surfing and clicks are the lowest ones, but they're automatic, so it's the most passive way to do this. But if you want to do more, you could always do any of the other ones, like YouTube subscribes, and they just added Instagram followers and TikTok followers. So if you want to try and get any of those, then that's also a great way to do it. You could follow as many people as you want on TikTok and gain the points. I actually haven't looked at this one yet. As you can see with TikTok, they offer up to 50 tokens just to follow them. So you could easily rack up a bunch of tokens really fast with this method. So the second step with this process is actually to go to another site. The site is actually called PlayerUpcom. Go to PlayerUp.com and then go all the way to the bottom where it says all other games and marketplaces. And then this will depend on what you want to do with it, but you could just go to Facebook. You can go to Facebook likes, and you could buy and sell Facebook likes. So once you get in here, you could just take a look and see if there's anybody that's got a buying that's already looking to buy right off the bat. Then you could just go ahead and place a bid on whoever's buying. If not, you could always just create an account and then post that you are selling a certain amount of likes. Then once that person accepts your offer, then you just simply take whatever link they give you, you go back to LINKCOLLIDER, and you would actually go and, so if somebody accepts my offer on this site, or if I'm able to find somebody that's already placed an offer for buying, then I would take the link that they would give me, I would go back over to LINKCOLLIDER, and then I could submit a website. Now, depending on what kind of link it is, I would just pick it here. So personal then I would just post the URL if this is a Facebook link, and then I could give it whatever title, you know, but then decide exactly how many tokens you want to reward. So you just basically have to, the more tokens, the faster it's going to get fulfilled. So you could say 20. If you have a certain amount of credits and you promise somebody a certain amount of likes, then you'll just want to do the math and figure out how many credits you can offer. Say you're going to do 20 tokens, then you say, okay, I spent 20 tokens doing this and I need to get 500 likes. You need to know that you have enough tokens that you could get the amount of likes that you're promising the person that you're doing it for their link. There we go. So once it's there, you go to the dashboard, and then it just shows up here, and you could decide what sites you actually want. You could fine tune it. You could pause or edit any of the thing, create backlinks, and you just say you just want it to be likes and shares. You could just simply uncheck the things that you don't want shared or liked, or things maybe they just want it to be blog posts or Twitter retweets or whatever it happens to be. You could find those different things in the different parts of the website. So just to reiterate, the process is go to LINKCOLLIDER, collect points using free techniques such as promoting auto clicks or subscribing to other people's social media platforms. Then take those points and exchange them for cash on PlayerUp.com. One thing about this is you're actually trading your time for money, which is a great way to make just a couple extra bucks, but it's not actually going to you're not gonna make a career out of this. You're not gonna make passive income. You're not gonna make enough money to live off of doing something like this. No matter how much time you put in, no matter what. I'd recommend that you look into something that's actually gonna generate income over time, long term. For me, I found that in affiliate marketing, and you could find my #1 recommendation to get started with affiliate marketing in the first link in my description. So you're gonna go and do little tasks in exchange for tokens, and then exchange those tokens for cash. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.